What you doing too?
How you guys doing? My name is Dino Sunny. I'm a professional MMA fighter. I came to International Hairlines to get SMP done. Words can't describe how ecstatic and happy I am. I didn't know what to expect coming here initially on the drive here. I was honestly more nervous than walking into the cage for a fight. I didn't know how it was going to look. You know, you see a lot of things online, but I did a lot of research watched all the YouTube videos with International Hairlines, and I just felt very confident to come here and get this done. And it's only the first session. I can't believe how full it looks, how amazing it looks. It's just crazy. I couldn't stop looking. Every chance I had to look in the mirror while they were doing their thing, I was just ecstatic. I started losing my hair probably when I was 27 years old, and you know, started getting receding hairline and started shaving, doing all kinds of things. Even used this magic spray thing to make it look fuller. Tried everything, and then you know, just kind of gave up. Started shaving, and then when I started doing this research and found International Hairlines, came here and I'm just ecstatic. I can't wait to tell my brother about it, my father. You know, whoever needs this done should be coming here and getting it done. It's only one session, and I feel amazing already. And you know, I'm always on camera because of fighting and always doing different kind of things. So now that I'm gonna have a full head of hair, you know, it's gonna be good. I feel real good about it.